So hello YouTube members, I am back with another video. Today I am going to talk about how we can add a breadcrumb in your Dawn theme, or if you're using any theme. So this one you will not find default. Okay, if you want to add this breadcrumb in your pages, collection page, and anywhere you can add this breadcrumb. So how you can add this? So let's start without further talk. So I'm going to log in my store, and I'm showing you how you can add this same feature in your, if you're using Dawn theme or if you're using any other theme. Okay, so default theme you will not find this feature. Okay, you need to, so let's change the store. So I'm going to just logging in this store, then I'm going to show you. So if I visit this store right now, it's look like that. Okay, so maybe I need to publish the product. So this store does not have any product right now, so click on product. Okay, just add product, and just I am typing here t-shirt. Okay, and just upload a image. Okay, I just added shoes. Okay, shoes. Okay, that's it, and just published. Because I don't want to waste your time. Okay guys, so just few minutes you will achieve this thing in your store. So if I visit this product right now, it's look like that. Okay, if I visit, you are saying this is a single product page and it's look like that, but we want here a breadcrumb. Okay, how you can do this? So for this you need to click on online store. Okay, then you are saying I'm using the Dawn theme, so you just click on edit and just you need to add section, and you need to put the breadcrumb name. Okay, you can just put the breadcrumb. I don't maybe the spelling is wrong here. Okay, let's check the right spelling. So this one, okay, I will provide this code in my video description. Okay, you need to use it. So just add section, and okay, breadcrumbs. You can put anything here. Okay, but I think you can, if you added good spelling, it will be more better. So right now just click on edit, and you need this code. Okay, you will not find this feature default. Okay, if I just click on save, perfect, and let's, if I reload, it will be not, we need to configure it. Okay, so for this you need to just click on customize theme, and we are I am trying to add here the breadcrumb. Okay, so how you can do this? So let's click on product page. Okay, default product I want to add here also. So when you click on this, just click on here, and left you will find the option. Okay, template, and just click on this one also guys, SEO friendly, and this one you will see the SEO breadcrumbs. So this one you will not find default. Okay, just drag it and just add it here. So you will see here the lot of options. So if you want to make it left, you can make it left. Also if you want to increase padding, decrease padding, you can add this. And also if you want to change the background color, okay, you can put the background color based on your theme. And also you can add font size, font, you can from here you can edit your font, which font you preferred. So, and also the font weight you can change, text color, link color. Okay, if I put the link color like that, you will see. So it's depend on you how you can how you want to add. Also have the separator. If you want to change the separator, here three type of separator is available. You can use it. Okay, I think the lot of option is. So also the product category text, if you want to change this text, you can change it. Also if you want to default this product is link here. If I just click on save, and if I reload this store, you will see here the breadcrumb is come. So it's easy guys, very easy. So I think you will struggle a lot of time, I think so. And also if you're new on my channel, just subscribe now. Okay, and if I click on product, you will see here the product bits. And let's check how we can add this collection page. So if I go to the collection, you need to do the same thing. Okay, so I do not have any collection, so we need to create a collection first. Okay, so just click on here and go back, and also just let's create a collection. Okay, product collection, and I will just click on collection and add new collection. Just I added random collection. You can put your collection. Okay, all product. I just added this collection name. Okay, just click on save, and okay, and if I reload this store, here we will find the collection, because so just click on here and collection, and just you will see the collection piece is load here, and also here we need to add the breadcrumb. So how you can add this? So just click on same thing, just search here SEO breadcrumb. Okay, you will see. So this breadcrumb will work with any theme. So you will see here the all product. So I think this is very helpful for you guys. So if you just I'll write link in my video description, you can put it. Okay, you can put it anywhere if you want to add it, like if I visit right now. Okay, so you see here the breadcrumb, and also if I menu, if I also you can add, if you want to add it this breadcrumb in your page, like default page. Okay, just click on pages default, and here you need to add, just search here the SEO breadcrumb, and here you will see the breadcrumb. Okay, so you can put this like that or breadcrumb. Also have from setting available, you can just customize it based on so what you want. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. So if you have still any comment, just comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.